One of the facts the government says is that the Port Harcourt and Warri refineries are working. Are these signs of better days to come?
Well, you know what I said about Port Harcourt refinery? Did you remember?
I'm not sure, Excellency.
I will remind you. I said when I was president, I wanted to do something about the 3 refineries we have.
Sure.
Port Harcourt, Warri,
Kaduna.
and Kaduna. And Aliko Dangote got a team. After I have asked Shell to come and run it for us, and Shell said they wouldn't. I said, please, come and take equity and run. They said, no. All right, no, don't take equity. Come and run it. They said, no. Later on, I called them. I called the boss of Shell then. Come and tell me what is it. And he gave me 4 or 5 reasons. He said, well, first of all, we make our major profit from upstream, not from downstream. Downstream we run just to maintain our head, keep our head above water. 2, our refineries are too small. 60,000 barrels, 100,000 barrels, and I think 120,000 barrels. He said at that time, average refinery is going for 250,000 barrels. 3, he said our refineries were not well maintained. 4, he said there was too much corruption around the activities of our refinery, and they would not want to get involved in that. And when anybody tells you a thing like that, what will you do? And it was after that, Aliko got a team together, and they paid $750 million to take part in PPP, running the refinery. My successor refunded their money. And I went to my successor. I said, do you know, I told him what transpired. He said NNPC said they wanted the refinery and they can't run it. And I said, but you know they cannot run it. But I was told not too long ago that since that time, more than $2 billion have been squandered on the refinery, and they still will not work. Anybody can tell you, if a company like Shell tells me what they told me, I will believe them.
Mm-hmm. Excellency, we don't get
to... If anybody tells you now that it is working, why are they now with Aliko? And Aliko will make his own refinery work. Not only make it work, it will make it deliver. Whether we announce our own government refinery working or not working, look, it is like they say in Yoruba, the man who plants 100 heaps of yam and says he has planted 200 heaps. They say after he has harvested 100 heaps of yam, he will also harvest 100 heaps of lies. You know what that means?